namin ng talong. Kalahati ito uod. Ito po ang aming harvest. Thank you po sa supporters at saka sa followers. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting me to like and subscribe. Thank you po. Bye.